tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to earn passive income online but don't know where to start? Well, you're in luck! In this video, we will show you how to generate passive income online for beginners. There are countless ways to make money online, but here are some popular methods that are beginner-friendly. Start a blog or website. If you have a passion or expertise in a particular topic, you can create a blog or website and monetize it through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Create and sell digital products. You can create ebooks, online courses, or printables and sell them on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or your own website. Invest in stocks or cryptocurrency. Investing in the stock market or cryptocurrency can be a great way to generate passive income over time. Just be sure to do your research and only invest money you can afford to lose. Start a YouTube channel or podcast. If you have a talent for creating video or audio content, you can start a YouTube channel or podcast and monetize it through advertising, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. By promoting products or services on your blog or social media channels and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate marketing link. Once you've chosen a method to generate passive income online, it's important to stay consistent and put in the effort to grow your business. Remember, passive income doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and dedication to see results. So, whether you're looking to supplement your current income or replace your full-time job, there are endless opportunities to make money online. With the right mindset and persistence, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life of your dreams. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey to passive income online today and take control of your financial future. Good luck! If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to make money online. Thanks for watching.